Hello traders, welcome to this particular video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you're going to master change of character using a particular tool. Okay, so when you come to trading view, go to this particular area where we have the tools. Go to this area where geometric shapes, okay, and just go and select the path. Okay, when you select the path, anytime you get mostly confused with change of character, you can make good use of this particular tool. Okay, so let us select the path. Then what you're going to do, let's look at this gold chart. Gold has been falling from last week up to this particular day. So in this case, probably there might be a reversal. That is how the market behaves. It's up and down, sideways moving up and down. So when you see a currency being dropped for a couple of times, all that you're supposed to think about is to think about a reversal. So in this gold chart, look at this scenario. We are having some kind of consolidation over here. We had a run over here, consolidation. We had a run over here, this some kind of consolidation. So always the market moves in threefold. So using this particular tool, let me start from here. So if you look at gold chart, this is how you're supposed to just analyze the gold chart to take a trade. Okay, so we are having a downtrend, a higher low. We are having a lower high. We are having lower low over here. We are having a lower high over here. This has become another lower or equal highs as well. We are having a lower high, and we are having the last another lower low over here. We are having another lower high over here. The last lower low. Then, as you can see, price has just crossed the last lower high, and it is trying to retrace back. So, guys, let's look at this scenario over here. Let me pull this whole stuff out, and let's analyze the shape of this particular market right now. Now, as you can see, this is the state of price now. So as you can see, price has just broken the last lower high, over here. Anytime there is a change of character, price will break out of the last lower high or the higher low. Okay, so when change of character happens, I've been telling you always two things is being created, which is a fair value gap and order block. And always the fair value gap and the order block is inside an order flow zone. So this whole area becomes your order flow zone. This whole area will become your order flow zone where price is going to retest and just shoot up once again. So from tomorrow going, we are going to have a serious uptrend in gold. So you must take your position. How do we trade such scenario? In case you want to trade gold tomorrow going, today is 17th December 2024. From tomorrow going 18th, if you want to trade gold, you must know how to just enter the market. You can go to the 15 minutes time frame. When you go to the 15 minutes time frame, let me just sorry guys for this particular night, there's a car passing by. So let's look at this scenario over here. If you look at the 15 minutes time frame, you could see the last lower low being broken. This last lower high over here is being broken. And even with the 15 minutes time frame, you can still locate some lower highs over here. So if you check critically, you can assume that this is our last lower high. But from the 15 minutes time perspective, this is the last lower high over here. But when you scale down to the 5 minutes, you can see internal structures over here, internal lower highs over here. So we can see that this is the last lower high that price has just broken out of. So anytime price broke out of a particular higher low or lower high, it's going to create a fair value gap and an order block. So the whole of this zone, before you take an entry or before you take a long position, the whole of this zone will become your order flow zone. So price is going to retest. Gold must retest this particular area. Gold must come back to this zone once again, test it, and just starting to shoot up, create a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low in that order, market structure in that order. So guys, this is how you're supposed to analyze a gold chart. Thank you very much for joining this particular channel. Don't forget to subscribe. I always tell you, your bigger money is in change of character. Okay, see you in the next video.